Hello and welcome to a video review of the LUT Sound Transition and Light Leak All Pack provided by the multimedia development studio VisualVFX. This package contains a variety of video and audio effects to enhance your productivity in the video editing application DaVinci Resolve. The first of the DaVinci Resolve feature compilations that we will explore are the LUTs, that include several color grading effects from 4 different directories to accommodate for style settings similar to those from existing films from particular directors. There is also a collection of LUTs available in a folder titled Duotone, which normally involves 1 or 2 intense color shades being blended into image or video footage in a project file. An installation guide for the LUTs is available in the downloaded folder for setup instructions in a variety of software packages including After Effects, Final Cut Pro X, Premiere Pro and Photoshop on both PC and Mac devices. Upon installation in DaVinci Resolve, LUTs can be accessed in the Color tab. Once a project clip is selected, under Nodes, a clip thumbnail can be right-clicked where a LUT option can be chosen to display the newly incorporated presets from VisualVFX. These enable DaVinci Resolve users to apply visual effects resembling styles in many examples of contemporary media without having to adjust various color strength and brightness settings in the software's color window. Right-click on the node and select Reset Node Grade in order to remove any LUT setting. The second media compilation that we will look at from VisualVFX is the Sfx Sound Folder. Once downloaded, audio files can be dragged and dropped manually to your DaVinci Resolve project files. Similar to the LUT folder, the Sfx folder comprises of 4 subcategories of sound effects conventionally utilized in intro, outro and animation sequences of videos, such as whoosh and glitch sounds. Standard audio properties for these files can be altered on the software's Edit window by using the Audio option underneath the Edit Inspector heading, including overall volume, enabling users to blend these effects together with other project audio files including parallel music soundtracks. The third folder is the Transitions collection. A link to an iPad version is available from VisualVFX also. The downloaded folder contains a TR Transitions Pack installation link that enables these new features to be incorporated into the Effects Video Transitions directory inside DaVinci Resolve. Transition filters of a warped, surreal and dreamlike nature can be dragged to either end of individual clips or as a bridge between media file clips on the edit timeline, saving users time from developing similar transitions in the software's edit and fusion areas. The fourth and final folder, Light Leaks, offers a great collection of MP4 files that can be dragged and dropped manually into a project's media pool master bin. These files are suitable for a backdrop for title sequences in particular, adding natural light reflection and refraction spectacles to a media project. A link to VisualVFX's website and a page where the all-pack compilation can be purchased can both be found in this video's description box. Thank you for watching.